The PLA filament is the most used in France for 3D printing. It is a bioplastic that can be composted in an industrial composter. However, there is no system of collection and sorting of this waste in France because France is not equipped at all. You are a French maker and you want to create in a responsible way. Bobi has the solution for you. Whether you are an individual or a professional, Bobi has listened to you and offers to recycle the printing waste you generate. To do so, nothing is easier. Store your PLA wastes and your spool support and bring it to your nearest Fab Lab. Bobi is in partnership with many Fab Labs to collect these wastes. They are then centralized in our plant where the Bobi team takes care of recycling these wastes in order to recreate a new spool ready to reprint. To make so, we control and then shred this raw material. In order to guarantee its quality, the material is steamed before being extruded into a new filament and then wound on a reconditioned spool support. The filament thus created is called RPLA and can be of different colors depending on the waste used for its manufacture. The spools created from this process are then packaged and sent to our customers in as short a circuit as possible. You can now create again in a more ecological way while using a unique filament. Melt for Bobi.